Welcome to FlyFi Travel App. Start your journey and connect with United Airlines in-flight Wi-Fi. Wait until the plane reaches cruising altitude after takeoff to connect to United Wi-Fi. Now follow these steps, turn on airplane mode, then enable the Wi-Fi button and navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Next, open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wi-Fi network named unitedwifi.com and tap on it to connect. Open a browser and type unitedwifi.com in the address bar. Connect to Wi-Fi on your flight. Turn off private relay and go to unitedwifi.com. United Wi-Fi. Stay connected when you fly with United Wi-Fi SM. It works with nearly any device, laptop, tablet, or phone, and is available on most flights. Using Wi-Fi, from pricing to actually using Wi-Fi on your flight, here's what you need to know. On US domestic and short-haul international flights, like those to Mexico and Canada, Wi-Fi is $8 or 800 miles for Mileage Plus members and $10 for everyone else. For all other flights, prices depend on where you're headed and how long your flight is. So here are top benefits. 1. Free messaging. Send messages from your favorite apps, including iMessage, WhatsApp, and Messages by Google. 2. Surf and stream. Check on the big game, look at cat photos, get some work done, even stream video on select flights. 3. Stay social. Check your email, scroll through Instagram, catch up on Facebook, send a tweet. You can do it all. Even if you don't pay for Wi-Fi, you can still activate free messaging and access United.com and the United app, including our entertainment options. T-Mobile customers get free Wi-Fi, that's unlimited Wi-Fi, texting and streaming for T-Mobile customers on domestic and international United flights. How to get and use Wi-Fi. If you're on your phone or tablet, make sure you download the United app before boarding your flight. 1. Connect after boarding, turn on airplane mode and connect to our Wi-Fi network. 2. Go to unitedwifi.com and use your credit card or miles to pay. 3. Enjoy, browse the internet, send emails, or hop on social media until you've landed. Flights with Wi-Fi. Whether or not your flight has Wi-Fi available depends on where you're flying to, the plane you're on, and the service provider your plane uses. Availability may be impacted due to connectivity issues, maintenance, certain routes, and government restrictions. If you want to buy Wi-Fi for the day rather than the flight, Mileage Plus members can get a Wi-Fi day pass for their entire trip. Buy before you fly, either during booking or by adding it to an existing trip in trip details. If you don't have a Mileage Plus account, you can join from here. Here are 3 steps to use your Wi-Fi day pass. 1. Connect to our Wi-Fi network. 2. Go to unitedwifi.com after opening your browser. Sign into your Mileage Plus account and follow the instructions. Your Wi-Fi day pass will begin working 1 hour before your first flight of the day is scheduled to leave and expires 24 hours later. It'll also cost the same amount it would to buy Wi-Fi for each individual flight during the 24-hour period. You will have benefit for Mileage Plus card holders. You get 25% back on all United Wi-Fi subscription purchases, including Wi-Fi Day Pass. Wi-Fi subscriptions. If you travel often, you may want to consider buying a Wi-Fi subscription. With subscriptions, you can pay for a month or year of Wi-Fi usage in advance through your Mileage Plus account. Prices start at $49 or 7,500 miles a month. How to buy a Wi-Fi subscription? Follow these steps. 1. Select your region of service. This can be just North America and Central America or global. 2. Pay. You can buy your subscription using a credit card or miles. 3. Enjoy. On your flight, connect to our Wi-Fi network, go to unitedwifi.com and sign in to your Mileage Plus account.